Hello everyone. What I'm about to show you in this video has been verified and tested by the mechanics working here, so relax. We're almost done fixing it. When your Chevrolet displays Service Park Assist Off, or something similar, the scare is immediate. You think the parking system completely failed. But what the mechanics at this shop explain is that most of the time the story starts with something much simpler. The system shuts itself off because it isn't receiving clear signals from one or more sensors. And that brings us to the most common issue of all: dirty sensors. Those small circles on the bumper work using ultrasonic waves, like a mini radar. If they have dried mud, built-up dust, leftover car wash wax, or even water droplets after heavy rain, the signal bounces back incorrectly and the module gets confused. In many cases, the fix was as simple as thoroughly cleaning each sensor with a soft cloth and drying them completely. After that, the system came back as if nothing had happened. Now, if everything is clean and the message is still there, it's time to look at what's around the rear of the vehicle. Many people forget that a trailer hitch, bike rack, or any fixed accessory can make the system detect a permanent obstacle. Since the car doesn't want to beep constantly, it simply shuts the system off. Even after removing the accessory, sometimes you need to turn the vehicle off and back on so it can recognize that nothing is behind it anymore. If the problem continues, then the conversation shifts to damaged sensors. At the shop, the same pattern shows up repeatedly. Even a minor bump to the bumper can internally affect one of the sensors. When one fails, the module disables the entire system to prevent errors. At that point, cleaning isn't enough. You need to scan the vehicle to identify which sensor is sending an erratic signal and replace it. Here's an important detail many discover after replacing a sensor. The system may continue showing the warning until the fault codes are cleared with a proper scanner. Not all basic code readers can access the Park Assist module, so in some cases, a more advanced tool or a quick visit to the shop for recalibration is necessary.